Hi, my name is Tim Skrock. I'm from a company called iKNiX's. We are manufacturing a little IP to KNiX object server, which gives you the possibility to integrate all of your ISE, iOS or RTI devices into the KNiX world. So what we have actually done is developed an easy way to put a visualization on top of any existing or new KNiX installation that's hassle-free, it's cheap, it's fast, and it's reliable. We're using an object server, which is a little different approach than most people who are using an IP gateway. Our object server stores all the information, everything that's happened on the KNiX site we already know. So when I'm opening my iPad or my RTI remote control over here, it gets the information from the system. It only talks to the object server, not the KNiX, and it already knows. Our app is for free. You can have 10 devices connected at the same time to our object server. You can use the object server as a KNiX programming gateway at about the same price that you pay for a regular USB gateway. So we just added an extra value. You're done with everything you need to do to put your KNiX control onto any mobile device. This is a world premiere. We do have an Android tablet. Unfortunately, the battery just died on me, but the Android app will be available for the Light and Building by April this year. We're also coming out with a PC version, so you can have a little tool on your PC so you can easily control your lights. Okay, let's jump into this. We only do lights, blinds, heating, auxiliary functions, and status information. We can't change the graphics, there's no editor, nothing on this. It always looks that way. We will add different skins to it, but we want to make it easy for you to integrate an optical interface to your installation so you don't have to mess around with the graphics. So when I'm in my room, these are my rooms, my zones. I control the lights. We have light scene management, so now all the lights are turning off, right? I can recall the light scenes if I want to. Let's recall a light scene called Comfort. If I don't like that light scene, and that's a great thing about KNiX, I can change it easily. So I'm adding the ceiling light, and now this is my light scene Comfort. I'm storing it on the iPad. It'll ask me, do you want to save? I say save. It's now stored on the KNiX, so when I'm turning this off and I'm recalling the light scene Comfort, it will do red and the ceiling. So it's easy for the customer to alter his light scenes, to play around with it and add just an extra value to it. We can of course control room temperature. That could be HVAC, it could be heating, anything you like. We have presets. You have status information of your alarm system, of your heat pump, whatever you might want to do. You can of course, we just had a customer do this, I didn't even know we could do this. You can dim 2 lights at the same time individually if you want to. And you can have 10 devices talk to one gateway at the same time. So if you have 5 iPhones, 3 Android devices and 2 more iPads, they can all be connected at the same time. Control the same room, different rooms, whatever you want. And just briefly, we have also integrated RTI as a control system into it. So when I'm turning off the lights on RTI side, this is now talking Zigbee to the RTI controller. I get, of course, full bidirectional feedback. And I could also, we have a Sonos system integrated into our setup, so I can switch to Sonos. So this is now going to Sonos. And if you think about a bathroom or something where you just have a little switch and you just want to turn on the music, turn off the music, I can now control my Sonos from my KNiX switch. So I can increase the volume, it tells me volume up. This is actually coming from the controller, from the RTI controller, volume down. And I can do basic things like turn it off, turn it on, or skip through my playlist, skip through my favorite radio stations, whatever I want to do, so I don't have to get out my iPad or iPhone to control that zone. You find more information on www.iknix.com. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.